My name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. I am continuing basically 2-bit comparator part 2. I already completed first part. Basically, it is like more than 15 minutes is won't allowed. That's why I am splitting this 2-bit comparator into two parts. So let's continue with this. Okay, let's start with the continuation part of 2-bit comparator.
Your equation of x, y, z also, okay, because it is in the back side of the page, so I am directly writing here. Okay, so here directly you can get this. In z we have a k map. Okay, so in k map directly you can write like a1 b1 b0. Okay, now for this a1 a0 b1 b, so this 0 means bar will come. Same for this a1 a0 b1, and here I am writing a1 a0 b1 b0. Okay, and directly we will get the answer. Okay, this is the how we can write the k-map equation. Now what you need to do basically x, actually I wrote in the back side. Okay, so I am not tilting the page. Okay, so directly I can write here equation I. Okay, so how to write? First of all, I am just giving you the shortcut how to write the equation. Okay, suppose 2-bit comparator is there, 2-bit comparator. Okay, so directly we will see now how to write. Again and again, no need to draw, write the k-map and all this truth table, no need to draw. Okay, directly we will solve. Suppose a and b are there, and a1 2-bit comparator. Okay, so 2-bit, for 2-bit will require, this is the number, a and b is what number, b1 and b2. How to write? This is your MSB and this is your MSB. Okay, and this is your LSB and this is your LSB. So what you need to do basically for writing x, is means a number is greater than b number. Okay, so in that basically you have to take this into this. Okay, b1 bar, and then for after plus a1 x naught b1 and a naught b naught bar. Okay, a naught b naught bar. For y, how we can write for y? For y basically a1 b1 will come, but a1 bar will come. Same a1 x naught will come, but a naught b naught a naught bar will come. For z, a equal to b is there, right? So here a1 x naught b1 plus will not come, multiplication will come. Clear? Directly we can get. See, whatever we wrote here for z, you can solve this. You will get a1 x naught b1, a naught x naught b naught. Okay, this is directly you can write the equation. No need for writing the truth table and all this thing. Okay, in exam directly you can write. For 3-bit comparator, suppose for 3-bit comparator, 3-bit comparator means two number which is of 3-bit, a2 a1 a0 b2 b1 b0. Okay, so x means a greater than b, right? So a2 b2 bar, a2 if I write here, so b2 this. Though the one who is less, bar will come on that bit only. Okay, similarly for this case, a1 this and a naught b naught. Clear? Similarly for next y, a less than b means a2 b2 will come, but bit those who is less, the number which is less, there will be bar will come. Okay, there is the bar. All thing will be same. Only one thing you need to remember, the rest all things are same only. Clear? Then z is equals to 80. Is that basically you need to write a2 x naught b2, a1 x naught b1, a naught x naught b naught. Okay, so this is the shortcut. Directly you can write. See, no need to draw the truth table, no need to draw anything. Okay, directly you can write it. See, just write the 3-bit, 2-bit, which bit is there. You just need to confirm, and basically straight away you can write the equation. Clear? We'll see the circuit diagram which is left. I think circuit diagram is also simple. Nothing more is there. Only you need to write. But this is the important main motto to write all this thing, or to get this topic is basically to tell this shortcut. Okay, because rest all thing is simple only. Okay, only in circuit diagram only hardware, not an AND gate is you need to use, nothing else is there. But main thing is that 3-bit comparator, how we can see 3-bit number is there, and obviously comparator, in comparator one number will be greater or less or equal, 3 condition will happen. Okay, and whenever the number is less, on that number only there will be a bar, otherwise nothing will be there. Okay, so I think this much is clear, and this also is clear, 2-bit comparator, and we got this equation from the truth table. Okay, so in back page I basically wrote the truth table, but there I won't write it because again and again I need to flip this page. Okay, so I directly wrote here. So I think this much is clear to all, right? So in next class basically we'll study the full adder and full subtractor. I think there first we'll study half adder, and means adder and subtractor will do, full and half we'll see. Okay, adder and subtractor will start, and then we'll continue rest of the combination circuit. So I think this much is clear, and so thank you so much. Okay, till then, thank you so much.